So I've worked at Volvo for 13 years. In that time I've been an assembler. I've worked in rectification department where we fix any faults that arise, and then went on to become a team leader. Quality is important to me because I like to know that when we finish with our piece of the process, that it goes on to the next part in the best quality as possible. And we know that we've done the best job that we can to make sure that my team are contributing to maintaining Volvo's quality image.
My name's Ian Fuller. I work here at Volvo as a product engineer. The main criteria that differ between the Australian and European markets that we have to cater for are local regulations. Like a front axle load regulation in Australia is considerably lighter than in Europe, and that means we have to put more weight over the rear of the vehicle to comply with Australian laws than a Swedish vehicle would. This can be hard when we have larger fuel requirements in Australia than they do in Europe, and we also have vehicle length laws here for our B-double market, which are different again to Europe as well. So that means we have to essentially design shorter trucks with more fuel with a front axle weight which is considerably less than Europe.
What makes us stand out here at Volvo is that when we manufacture a truck, we make it to customer requirements. So instead of building a truck which would go out and sit in the yard and the customer picks basically what colour, the customer can come in and choose all the different variants he wants, type of axles, stuff like that, and we will modify the truck to suit their needs.
We are very close to the customer and try to find out what we can offer to him as good as possible, as close as possible to the needs, and that's also very important for the group to learn from that. And needs can be any kind, like technical demands, but also to run the product in Australia and test the product in Australia is quite important for the Volvo Group. In terms of safety features, the driveline and the overall styling of the product is the strength of the Volvo brand.
If you look at the inside of our cab, it's essentially a luxury vehicle. The ergonomic and the HR issues for drivers are all well and truly taken care of, and I think we're looked upon favourably by drivers and certainly the larger fleets.
I feel that we build a world-class product here. I like knowing that every single day I come in here and I put my best in to make sure that I contribute towards making sure that we still manufacture that product of the same quality.
We are a high-cost country, so in a world that is very competitive, that is something we have to keep an eye on. Secondly, we are quite remote and we get a lot of our parts from around the world, so it's crucial to have all the parts on time to build a product so that it's right when it leaves the line.
I think it provides a lot of jobs for Australia, and Australia has a lot of pride in that we can manufacture a good product at a good price, at a good quality.
To do that specific job here, customer oriented, and still try to be efficient is an interesting challenge, a bit different than in the rest of the world. And I enjoy it very much.